Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be very helpful for mothers who are the mothers of toddlers. So in today's video, I'm going to share that what are the activities or curriculum is best for 1 to 3 years old. I will share my experience with you that what I teach my toddler. Watch the complete video. I will share all the activities. Okay, so the first step you need is the phonics flashcards. You must have these phonics flashcards. These are just laminated. You have to first teach a toddler letter sounds. For example, a, b, k. If you want to learn that how you can teach your toddler these sounds of letter, the link is given in description. One important thing I'm going to share with you that all the activities are budget friendly. Okay, so the second activity I recommend is the popsicle sticks activity. So this is a totally DIY activity. You just need a box, cardboard box, and I just make openings in this box and paste these color papers on cardboard piece, and your toddler will match the colors. For example, this is a pink, this is a yellow color, and this one is the blue color. Your toddler will enjoy this activity too much. So this activity is best for 1 to 2 years old. If we are talking about the books, that what are the books best for 1 to 2 years old, so these are the touchy feel books. So these are amazing books. My toddler enjoy these books. Your toddler will touch and can feel these books. Okay, so these books I buy from Kitab Bazaar. The link is given in description. You can watch the link. I buy 5 books for my toddler. So these are 5 books I just buy for my toddler. As you can see, these are 30 books, and these are super amazing books for your toddler. I recommend it. The 3-piece puzzle activity, it's best for 1 to 2 years old. Through this activity, your child will learn the colors and different shapes. Okay, so next, if we talk about the numbers, so this is a sheet I make myself. I just make this worksheet. This worksheet, I make this worksheet at home, and you have to just put in file. You don't need any expensive laminated cards or worksheets. You have to simply make worksheet and put them inside, and your total will write the number. For example, as you can see, your total will write the number here 5. It's easy to write here, and it's easy to erase. Different worksheets inside for my toddler. And you can simply, the best thing about it is that you can simply erase it, as you can see. Next thing is the number flashcards. You have to write simply number and spelling also. You can teach your toddler the numbers like this: 1 2 3 4. You can buy these lamination cards, or you can make it yourself. Okay, so the next activity is toddler will teach how to count the numbers. So you have to simply write the number here 4. Again, this is a cardboard DIY activity, and just laminate with tape. Best for 1 to 3 years old. So you can write the number. For example, you will write the number here, and your toddler will make seeds here: 1 2 3 4. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to share is a DIY whiteboard. So this is a wooden piece. You can take any cardboard piece, and you have to simply laminate this piece with tape, and your whiteboard is ready. You need a board marker. Your toddler will write simple numbers here, or anything, letters or anything. He can draw anything on this, and the best part is you can erase it simply. Okay, so these are all the activities which are best for 1 to 3 years old. If you like the video, like and share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.